Comparing Redmi Turbo 4 and the Honor GT, which is better? Choosing between the Redmi Turbo 4 and the Honor GT highlights the evolving competition in mid-range smartphones, where performance, design, and value are more critical than ever. Both devices pack impressive features, but their unique strengths cater to different user needs. This comparison dives into key aspects like design, specs, cameras, and pricing to help you decide which device aligns better with your lifestyle and priorities. The Redmi Turbo 4 impresses with an IP68 rating, offering superior water and dust resistance compared to the IP65 rating of the Honor GT. Both phones feature AMOLED displays with 120Hz refresh rates, but the Turbo 4 edges ahead with Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and HDR Vivid support, alongside a peak brightness of 3200 nits, making it exceptional for outdoor viewing. The Honor GT counters with a slightly larger 6.7-inch display and a screen-to-body ratio of 90.8%, offering a more immersive viewing experience. However, its 4000 nits peak brightness feels overly niche, primarily benefiting HDR content. The Redmi Turbo 4 takes the lead for display quality, thanks to its HDR capabilities and extreme brightness, while the Honor GT is more visually appealing with a slimmer bezel design. The Honor GT packs the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, delivering unmatched performance, especially for gaming and multitasking. Meanwhile, the Redmi Turbo 4's Dimensity 8400 Ultra is no slouch, but falls slightly behind in raw power. The Redmi Turbo 4 boasts a larger 6550 mAh battery with 90-watt fast charging, whereas the Honor GT offers a smaller 5300 mAh battery, but compensates with faster 100-watt charging and 5-watt reverse charging. The Honor GT's chipset and faster charging are ideal for performance enthusiasts, but the Redmi Turbo 4's larger battery is a better choice for power users needing extended uptime. The Redmi Turbo 4 sports a 50-megapixel f1.5 main sensor, promising better low-light performance with a larger aperture. Its secondary 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, while adequate, is outshined by the Honor GT's 12-megapixel ultra-wide with autofocus, which offers greater versatility. Honor GT's main camera also features a larger sensor size, but has a narrower aperture, affecting low-light photography slightly. Both phones excel in video capture, offering 4K and gyro EIS. The Redmi Turbo 4's superior aperture is better for night shots, while the Honor GT's ultra-wide camera stands out for versatility, making it a better choice for diverse photography needs. The Redmi Turbo 4 is priced at around $290, while the Honor GT costs approximately $310. Considering the Honor GT's advanced chipset and slightly better camera setup, the additional cost seems justified for users prioritizing performance and versatility. Conversely, the Redmi Turbo 4 delivers excellent value for those focused on display quality and battery life. Both phones are competitively priced, but the choice depends on individual priorities. Redmi Turbo 4 suits budget-conscious users, while the Honor GT offers better overall performance for a marginally higher price. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.